Hello, this is my video about WizIQ. I'm trying WizIQ in the WizIQ practice area. I've turned on the editing and I would add a new class. I would add a new activity that's a WizIQ class. I can add it with my time zone, Cairo, because I don't know. Why it doesn't work, but New York time zone works for me. I don't know why is that, what the problem is. Now I can launch the class. I scheduled the class right now. I can start it now. Of course, I can schedule for later dates, but I cannot deal with my time zone. I don't know what's the problem. What the problem is. Now I just need to check if I can obtain a recording. Yes, recording obtained, yes. So I can get a recording after the end of the class. Now I have opened the class. You can see me. The camera is on. I'm on camera and the recording is on. When I disable the camera, the recording, you still hear my voice because I'm recording this with Screencast-O-Matic. I can enable again recording. I can disable the camera, as you see, and I can enable it again. And now we will have an icon that shows us that the recording is being done, but it takes a while. Now this is the timer. I scheduled the class for 30 minutes and this is the only way to end the session. If you close the window and get out, then you get back, you would find the class still going on. This is the only way to end the session from the timer. And let's explore other icons. This is to add a poll for the participants. Of course, I haven't got any participants or attendees. This is for changing the layout. This way, I'm sharing the whiteboard to share many things. For example, I may share a YouTube video with the participants or the attendees. Online video.
هرجعكم 10 سنين ورا. اوكي، كان وقتها عندي 24 سنة وكنت حياتي سهلة جدا، كنت يعني متدلعة شوية وطفولة حلوة.
Let's share something else. Now I'm sharing the whiteboard. I can choose a pen or brush or highlighter and choose the color and draw something. A flower. Awful flower. For example, I can use the eraser to change this. I can add different shapes. I can use this hand to move the drawings. What's this? I can add a text. I don't know what's this. We'll explore it later. Hello. And I can move the text. I can add symbols. Different symbols. Okay. I can upload a picture and share the picture with my students or the attendees. And this is undo and this is redo. This is for the whiteboard. Let's change the layout. Now it's me. Now it's me on camera. Let's change the layout again so I leave some spaces for other attendees to appear on camera. Change the layout again so I'm appearing on camera and I'm sharing the whiteboard drawing and writing things. Change the layout again. I'm sharing only the whiteboard. And this is how I change the layout. Now I'm gonna disable the camera. This is the chat box or the conversation where we can talk through chatting. This is me. And this is the screen share. I can screen the entire, I can share my entire screen with the students. Now I'm sharing the entire screen. I can go to another place. For example, this is the WizIQ practice area. This is how we manage classes. This is how we manage the content. For example, I may go to anywhere on the computer, on my computer or online, to share the screen with the students, the entire screen. Then I can get back, and the class is not ended unless I click in the timer end the class. Looks like a connection failure. I don't care about this. Now I say don't allow, and I get back, and I change my layout and I share other things. For example, I may share a content. Now I have disabled the camera. Choose a file from my computer. Choose something from my library. It's not my library, it's the library of WizIQ. And I have to click preview to share it with the attendees. And here it is. So we can share PowerPoint presentations or PDFs or whatever. Okay, that's great. This is for sharing content. We may share media player or we may save the class to PDF. That's it for exploring the features of WizIQ. We may save the whiteboard content, to PDF. We don't need to save it because it's already saved in the library. That's it for trying out WizIQ and all the features and layouts. Thank you. Now we may end the class. From the timer we end the session. This way it's ended and we get the recording after it has been processed in a while, few minutes. Thank you for watching and bye bye.